Today, I'm going to share with you an ultimate guide on how to do the Amarnath Yatra on a budget. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, these tips, tricks, and travel hacks will help you make the most of your pilgrimage without breaking the bank. Hi, I'm your name. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more travel tips and guides. Now let's dive into the Amarnath Yatra. The Amarnath Yatra is one of the most revered pilgrimages in India, attracting thousands of devotees every year. The journey takes you through stunning landscapes, challenging terrains, and finally to the holy Amarnath cave. But how do you do it on a budget? Here's how. First things first, planning and booking early can save you a lot of money. The Amarnath Yatra registrations open months in advance. Make sure to book your permits, transportation, and accommodations as soon as possible. This not only secures your spot but also helps you get better deals. There are two main routes for the Yatra: the traditional Pehelgaon route and the shorter Baltal route. The Pehelgaon route is longer and more scenic, while the Baltal route is shorter and more challenging. Depending on your budget and time, choose the route that suits you best. The Baltal route is generally cheaper because it's shorter and takes less time. When it comes to accommodation, there are plenty of budget options available. Look for government-run camps, dharamshalas, or shared tents. These are not only affordable, but also provide a unique experience. Booking in advance can help you get the best spots. Packing smart can save you money and hassle. Make sure to carry warm clothing, comfortable trekking shoes, a good backpack, and essential supplies like medicines, snacks, and a reusable water bottle. Avoid overpacking to keep your load light and manageable. Food can be a significant expense, but you can save a lot by eating local and economical. Look for langar services that offer free meals to pilgrims. You can also try local eateries and food stalls that provide delicious and affordable options. Carrying some dry fruits and snacks is also a good idea for the trek. Traveling in groups can significantly reduce costs. You can share expenses for transportation, accommodation, and even food. Plus, it's always more fun and safer to travel with a group of like-minded people. Using public transport is a great way to save money. Buses and shared taxis are available from major cities like Jammu and Srinagar to the base camps. They are not only affordable but also give you a chance to mingle with locals and fellow pilgrims. Staying hydrated and healthy is crucial during the yatra. Carry a reusable water bottle and refill it at the many water points along the way. Avoid drinking from streams and rivers. Take regular breaks, listen to your body, and don't push yourself too hard. And there you have it. These are my top tips for doing the Amarnath Yatra on a budget. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or additional tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Babatoxic for more travel guides and tips. Safe travels and Jai Bholanath.